guys, I want to share with you. Yesterday was Thursday, no? And I got paid. Yes, it was small, but I'm grateful because it was $10 monthly subscription club that I joined about almost 3 weeks ago. That money that I've got paid yesterday is going to cover my next month's membership without me coughing out money out of my own pocket to pay for my membership. And that's what freaking awesome it is, guys. This is a $1 trillion subscription economy. With just paying my $50 once-off investment, that's under 1,000 Rand, I got an opportunity to build a long-term side hustle, a long-term plan B that will benefit me and my family in the long run. You need to be patient with yourself. Stop comparing yourself with others. But if you want to know more about this $10 subscription club, guys, comment info and I'll be happy to share this information with you.